Alrighty, guys. I want to talk about a stock that has came across my desk, and a lot of people were telling me to check this out. And this is a fabulous company right here, guys. Check out CMG Chipotle Mexican Grill here. This is coming into an extreme oversold territory. Now, if you guys like options, if you like buying shares, for investments, this is all there for you. This is at an extremely bottomed out chart, and let me show you guys even the KDJ here. We plot this on here. We're sitting at a 2.73 on the KDJ. Now, this is extremely rare to see a higher quality stock like this, be at these kind of low levels and kind of hitting these bands like this. All right, so as you guys know, if you've been part of my channel, I have a highly successful win ratio when I follow this strategy doing these exact things. Let me show you guys the three things that I look for. Number one, are we touching the green band? Yes, the answer is yes. And we do not just trade our trade. We don't just take a trade based on that. We have to have time distance. Basically, what happens here is, guys, is you see how we have this gap here? We have this gap right up in here, right? I'll push it out right in here. And I will draw a rectangle to show you. This is considered a gap. Now, Chipotle will eventually probably fill this gap. A lot of high quality stocks do that, but we have this gap here. So what happens is it's going to take a little longer to touch this EMA 5. All right. The next thing I want to show you guys is when you don't touch this EMA 5 in 7 days, it is considered long, but you want to wait around that mark. If you try to play this right off the bat on this first candle here, you're pretty much saying, hey, we're going to touch the 5, the 10, and the 20 right off the bat. This doesn't happen often. When price goes away from EMAs, they tend to go away from it for quite some time. And we would look to buy puts here, and we would look to buy calls here. Obviously, this is an earnings play, so they tend to go down a little farther, okay? And it tends to be a little more volatile. It gaps down, and it just keeps going, all right? There's plenty of plays that I've seen do this, but this is, this is going to have a monster move up. Just wait. Make sure you accumulate properly, but this is the area of interest where I would accumulate, okay? So Chipotle right in here hasn't touched the 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daily candles with a K value of 2.73 at the bottom and touching this ATR4. That is extremely bottomed out, oversold big cap stock that can easily come back up and touch this EMA 5, which is sitting at a 3.5% return. If you're looking to do options, that is a pretty nice solid return. And if it goes to the EMA 10, you're looking at an 8.76%. That would be the most ideal. Was not count on it just to hurry up and do that, because a lot of times what happens, guys, is it touches the 5 and then it can easily make a newer low. All right, so if you want to take these quick gains, this is the area that would do. But I believe in the long-term aspect in Chipotle, and I think it's going to keep going up in time because, as you can see, what has been the trend of Chipotle in a longer-term outlook? It's every dip has been getting bought, and we're right now sitting on this EMA 50 on a monthly chart. As you can see, we went below it, came back up, came near it, and it pumped, and it came back here. Are we going to go back up here and make that new high? We will see. Obviously, that's going to take a lot of time. These are monthly candles. It took like over a year to make a new high, right? And just like with my strategy here on a longer term outlook, it doesn't make sense to buy Chipotle up in here as this is extremely overextended, okay? So now that we have this monster discount here, guys, we have everything that we like to see. Yeah, this is going to touch the EMA 5 very fast. Now what we're doing is the accumulation phase. If you plan to buy options, don't put all your money in one day, right? I like to say for around 1 to 2 or 3 days of accumulation patterns, just because if this gets a little stubborn, at least you can accumulate it and make big money when this does start going up. All right, I have no doubt about it. We're going to touch this EMA 5 and max. I believe in a max of 2 to 3 days, okay? It's definitely due there. We saw Lululemon when I alerted this in the Discord. Everyone did think this was going to go up. Guess what happened? We had this EMA 5 TD. This one was a little more stubborn. We had a low K value here, and as you can see, we ran up 15% to that EMA 20. See, Chipotle can do the same thing, guys. We can go right to that EMA 20 if we want to. So this is a high quality stock, nice company. into a massive EMA 50 on the monthly chart. We're also in right here where we broke out of here. You know, we can easily see this was right here, you know, kind of where we broke out. We'll see if we come back up into that area. But yeah, I think this is a great company, guys. This is a massive discount. So if you guys are looking to buy something with a high quality value, you can buy shares, hold it long term, as this is a great area to do it, or you can buy some options and make some monster returns. You can do monthly expirations. Just to that EMA 5 will make you well over 20%. All right, guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to learn how to subscribe, hit this how to subscribe button and hit day trade alerts. When you do that, you'll get access to everything for 12 bucks a month, and you get access to my day trade alerts, swing trade alerts, day trading education, swing trading education, and I go live for the members doing a lot of these type of plays for day trades. If you like this strategy right here and how I catch precise bottoms, wait till you see my day trading strategy where we make money every day and we put that money into these high quality investments like Chipotle. So that's the end of the goal here. But I think you guys are going to really like this service. It's very easy to do. I call it the band strategy. It's very unique. You probably won't ever see it in the internet. And it works. It works amazing because remember, price has to revert to the mean. It always does. It always will. Price will come to these EMAs. Price goes above, price comes back. Everywhere in price history, you see price goes away, price comes back, price goes down, price goes up. And what we're looking for is those big oversold extensions near this ATR4. If it gets there with time distance, you can see how you get these monster moves ups. That's what we're looking for. You can see right here, price gets up, comes down. Price comes up, comes down. But we're looking for that time distance, right? We don't want to just take anything because we could trade any stock out there. There's always going to be a stock to trade. So we want to find the number one stock that I can alert in the Discord to make you guys money, okay? So I hope you guys like this video. Definitely join the Discord. Use your computer to subscribe. It's only 12 bucks a month. I promise you, you guys are going to learn a lot in this Discord. You're going to make a lot of money. I mean, you can already see like this guy right here, we have good energy here. Just follow the instructions and the guidance and you'll be fine. I'm learning here a lot and making money. You can read all the testimonies. I mean, it's awesome here, guys. All right, guys, like I said, give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Subscribe on your computer if you want to. It's only 12 bucks a month, and I'll look to see you guys in the Discord. And let me know what you guys think about CMG. Number one stock right here coming into the market next week, due for a massive pump. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.